So now we are outside GDV, which is Global Development Village. So நீங்க எங்க இருந்து வரீங்க?
நாங்க சென்னை டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் சென்ட் தாமஸ் மவுண்ட்ல இருந்து வரோம்.
My name is Avni Kashyap. I am from Northern Railway District, Muradabad, and it's my first time here.
We came here for attending this Jamboree camp, which is held on Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli.
Welcome, Karnataka.
சரி, உள்ள போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க என்னெல்லாம் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றீங்க உள்ள இருக்கணும்?
எனக்கு நிறைய ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் இருக்கணும், நிறைய கேம்ஸ், ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக கேம்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்கணும் நான் சொல்றேன்.
We came here for attend the global village. We are expecting that we will attend new things, we will learn new things, we will enjoy the things that they had. We will see the things they made, the things they will explain us. We will know that and how we will experience, and we will also involve in ourselves also.
Are you people excited?
Yes, we are excited.
Your husband will not know waste. It is so fruitful to the society what you have done. So thank you very much. And I strong and thankful to all of you. I do.
Let's build a better world. Together we can.
So can you please tell me about your experience inside the Global Development Village and what and all stuff you people learned actually from inside?
It was very helpful. Frankly, communicate with each other.
So today we went to this Global Development Village, which is on the Sustainable Development Goals. So today here we learned about Sustainable Development Goals and also the activities which comes with these goals. And also as a guide we learned about the challenge badges and all the other activities and community service projects we could do as a guide. And also, overall, I believe this was a fun and exciting experience for us as overseas guides. Thank you.
But then it was very memorable, so we cannot explain like in words. Like we can only explain from our feelings.
Okay.
This was the wonderful experience I ever had. We had a lot of fun. We got badges, and if you help correcting, you can get more badges. Other sirs and other friends are saying to get more badges, get lot of experiences.
I'm sure people would have explained it to you. So can you someone tell me at least one or two SDG goal which you learned inside?
Save water, save life. We have to save water. Don't waste even a pin drop of water.
How to stop single-use plastic bags, how to start solar energy resources, lot of things. Thank you.
இங்கே நடைபெற்ற குளோபல் வில்லேஜ் அரங்கம் எல்லோரையும் ஈர்த்ததா கேள்விப்பட்டேன். பண்பாட்டை அறிமுகம் செய்கிற அரங்கமாகவும் ஐநாவை சொல்லுகிற இலக்குகளை கற்பிக்கிற அரங்கமாகவும் இது அமைஞ்சிருக்கு.
சாய்ராம் கல்வி குழும செயல் இயக்குனர் திரு சாய் பிரகாஷ் லியோமுத்து அவர்களை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம்.
Mr. Sai Prakash Leomuthu, Executive Director of Sairam Educational Institutions.
Do